Hi, I'm Vishal Rana, Business Development Director at Microban, overseeing the IMEA region. India is one of the fastest growing plastics markets in the world, but with the growth comes pressure. More recycled content, tighter regulations, and higher expectations from the brands and export markets. In India, climate and similar environments, heat and humidity, accelerate microbial growth and odor issues in plastics. If unmanaged, these problems impact material durability, brand trust, and market success. For manufacturers, this pressure creates a clear opportunity. Plastics that last longer and stay cleaner and fresher between cleans, especially in packaging and appliances and building applications. Solving these challenges early on is a fast becoming competitive advantage.
This is where Microban plays a key role. We work with manufacturers to enhance material durability and performance with built-in antimicrobial surface protection. Our technologies help protect plastics against microbial damage and odors throughout the product's lifespan. Just as importantly, Microban supports manufacturers and brands in meeting global regulatory standards and consumer expectations, providing proven solutions to help them grow and differentiate.